Hi Shannon, Abs here from Burton Chevrolet Buick GMC in Whitewater, giving you a video on that 2017 GMC Acadia SLT. If you're looking for a fully loaded third row SUV, you have found it. This thing is a fresh trade-in, just came in. Tires are great, interior's black on black, full leather, heated seats, heated wheel, heads-up display, you name it, it's got it. This thing is well taken care of. Said just a fresh trade-in. We got full power seats on both sides. It is cold outside, I'll tell you that. Check this out, you got your full touchscreen, you got your heated steering wheel is on, nice and warm. Only 93,000 miles on this thing. This thing is barely getting broken in. Check it out, you got your second row, third row is folded down for extra cargo room. You got your heated seats on both sides right here. And you got, don't know if you can see it, but it does have the heads-up display equipped right there with full memory seats, upgraded Bose stereo. Check out all that space back there. You can fit anything you want back there. This vehicle is available for you. Come check it out. Phone number is 262-473-6060. Thanks a lot.